Offer function. Understanding the offering function. Definition of offer function. The supply function describes the relationship between the price of a good and the quantity of the good that producers are willing to sell at the price. Law of supply function. The law of supply states that when prices rise, the quantity of goods supplied also rises. Conversely, when prices fall, the quantity of goods supplied also falls. Main components of the offering function. 1. Quantity of goods offered. The quantity of goods offered is influenced by producer cost. Producers tend to offer more of a good if price increases. The number of goods available on the market is based on demand and existing of goods. The price of goods is then main factor that determine the quantity of goods offered. High prices of goods usually increase the quantity supply by producers. Prices of goods also function as a signal for producers to adjust production. Relevance of the offering function. Number one, interest in the market. The supply function helps balance the market between the supply and demand, determining the equilibrium price in a competitive market. Minimize the shortage or excess of goods on the market. Two, impact on consumer. Overall, affirm the available of goods for consumer. The availability of goods at affordable price improves consumer wealth. Consumer can make purchasing decisions based on the variety of offer. 3. Relationship to demand function. Supply and demand are two sides that interact to achieve price balance. The demand function expresses the quantity of a good that consumers want to buy at various prices. The interaction between the supply and demand determines the market price and quantity of goods sold. Factor influencing supply. Price of good or service. Number one, effective price on supply. Law of supply. As the price of goods or service rises, then the quantity supply increase. Price as a market signal for production to increases of reduce production. Margin cost determines the minimum price at which a manufacturer is willing to offer a product. Price change and offer response. Elastic response. This is supply chain drastic inward change in price. Inelastic response, supply chain little with a change in price. Factor determining supply elasticity. This is time, productivity, flexibility, and product capacity. Production cost. 1. Effect of production cost and supply. Input cost increases, supply decreases, and profitability decreases. Production efficiency can reduce cost and increase supply. The relationship between the product count and efficient cost. 2. Fixed cost and variable cost. Fixed cost, costs that do not change with production level, such as rent and fixed sales rate. Variable cost, costs that change with production level, such as raw material and labor. Break-even point analysis to determine profitability. Function and form of offer. Function and form of offer. 1. Application of linear function in bidding. In concluding offer of goods and service. Application in simple economy model determining prices to achieve market balance. 2. Determination of covariance in the supply function. Method of conclusion supply coefficient. The effect to coefficient. Method of conclusion supply coefficient. The effect to of coefficient on the slope of the supply curve. Analysis of variables that influence for the coefficient. Interaction of supply and demand. Government policy and its impact. 1. Subsidy and influence of subsidy on market equilibrium. Tax impact on supply and demand and cascading of government influence. 2. Price control. Price calling and trend event, price fall and market outcomes and historical example of price control policies. 3. Market regulation and deregulation. Benefit of market regulation, consequences of deregulation, and impact on competition and market efficiency. Offer application. Application of supply theory in 1. Offering strategy in rental company. Approach to a product offering in retail including stock and price. The influence of market competition and effectivity bidding strategy. 2. Offer optimization through data analysis. Use of data analysis to predict supply and demand. The role of consumer data and market trend in bidding strategy. Case study of the use of big data. Prospect and challenge of factor offering. Factor trend in bidding. 1. Increasing role of technology. Application of AI in market analysis and bidding strategy. Use of blockchain for supply chain transparency automation. Change in consumer preferences. Demand for environmentally friendly product. Consumer tend to shift to online shopping. The importance of personalization in consumer experience. 3. Globalization in integrated offering. Adopt an international bidding model, adjustment of offering strategy according to global culture. Challenge in the offering fashion. 1. Increasingly tighter market competition. Many new players in the market versus to offer competition price deflation, maintaining consumer. 2. Environmental consequences of the offering. Impact of product and distribution on the environmental demand state, environmental regulation and status. Solution strategy for fashion bidding challenge. 1. Sustainable innovative new product research and development. Increased production process efficiency, investment in green and sustainable technology. Collaboration and strategy partnership. Build alliance with supply and distributor. Collaboration and strategy partnership. Building alliances with suppliers and distributor. Collaborate technology unicorns and startups. Synergy with research institute and university. Offer function for PS is the same as A plus BPS. Example. Thank you.